Well, I moved into this room, if you could call it that, a week ago. I never do what I'm supposed to do. I hardly even know my name anymore. No one calls it out, kind of vanishes away. I can't get to sleep at night, talking lots of loud and bright. Sleazy hasn't worked in 20 years, probably never made a single person's call. But I can't say the same for me, I've done it many times. Somebody take me home to those Alabama pines. You can't drive your tail day, but on weekend in a tour. I head up north in Jacksonville, cut around and over, watch your speeding Boiling Springs. They got a thing to do, they'll get you every time. Somebody take me home through those Alabama pines. Somebody take me home through those Alabama pines. Well, hi there pluckers, I was Saw Things again with hopefully another little interesting lesson for you. This is a song called Alabama Pines by Jason Isbell. Okay, I am doing it in standard tuning, but capoed at the 4th fret. This puts us in the same key that Jason Isbell performs this song in. Okay, so a nice fairly simple song. Then boys and girls, let me hopefully show you how to play this song. So introduction, very simple, just a straightforward C chord, and it's like that sort of thing, yeah? So you hit the root note and down, up, down sort of thing. Okay, so or any variation on that sort of thing that suits you better, but that's what I think he's doing on the record. Okay, so root note, C chord, down, up, down. So it's, and you just repeat that. I think he does it 8 times on the record, but I only did it 4 times. Okay, so it's. Well, I moved into this room, if you could call it that, a week ago. And that, on that line, on that week ago, it's a rundown from C to A minor. Simple as usual, the usual classic rundown. C, then lower the bass note down to the 2nd on the 5th string, the A string, and then to an A minor. Okay? So, moved into this room, if you could call it that. I never do what I'm supposed to do. Hardly know my name. Any. On any, it's another rundown. This time from A minor to F major 7th via a G note, 3rd fret, bottom E string. What I'd give you 2 versions you can do. Move that A minor. Move that. Take the 3rd finger and put it on the bottom E string, 3rd fret, and then to an F major 7. Okay, so basically an F chord, basic F chord, we're lifting up the bar, so the top string, E string, is open. 4 down to 1. Okay, I like to do a 4-fingered variety, same chord but a different version. This 3rd finger goes up to the from the basic version of the F major 7. 3rd finger up to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and pinky taking over on the 4th string on the 3rd fret. 5 down to 1 now. Gives you a bit more depth in the chord. Okay, but the simple one is okay. Simple one, or the 4-fingered, what I call 4-fingered one, F major 7. Okay, so so you do that sort of. Okay, now the other version of that instead of moving that third finger up to there, you can also just use your pinky if you want. Keep the A minor shape and use your pinky to do that, like that. I find it easy to do that, but you can also use your pinky. So it goes, if you do that, it's like moved into this room, if you could call it that, a week ago. I never knew what I was supposed to do. Hardly knew my name anymore. So it's just that anymore, but I prefer to do anymore. I tend to use my third finger. Okay, so once again up to that point, do the intro as well. Well, I moved into this room, if you could call it that, a week ago. I never do what I was supposed to do. Hardly know my name anymore. No one calls it out, it's kind of vanishes away. Okay, and after you've done the strumming on the F major 7th anymore, no one calls it out, it kind of vanishes back to the C, vanishes away. So once again, because this is, once you've got this under your belt, you can do all the verses, okay, because they're all the same to play. Different words, same chord sequence, okay. Moved into this room, if you could call that, a week ago. I never do what I was supposed to do. I don't even know my name anymore. When no one calls it out, it kind of vanishes away. Next verse, exactly the same to play. Can't get to sleep at night, the parking lot's so loud and bright. The AC hasn't worked in 20 years, probably never made a single person cold. But I can't say the same for me, I've done it many times. Okay, so that's the first two verses, and then we're going into a single line of chorus. Okay, so right from the beginning, let's see if we can get it together. Play it really, I'll try and slow it down for you. Okay, here we go. Well, I moved into this room, if you could call it that, a week ago. I never do what I was supposed to do. Hardly even know my name anymore. No one calls it out, it kind of vanishes away. Next verse. I can't get to sleep at night, the parking lot's so loud and bright. The AC hasn't worked in 20 years, probably never made a single person cold. But I can't say the same for me, I've done it many times. Somebody take me home. And that's the line that's next. You do a single line of that chorus line, okay? And that is, so if you come out of that, I've done it many times. Somebody take me home, and that's that C to A minor again. Somebody take me home. Okay, so it's exactly the same run that was in the verse. The C, and then with that second fret of the 5th string. So somebody take me home. Through, and then you go through. Then you do that A minor with the G in the bass again, either the pinky or the third finger. Alright, so somebody take me home through those. On those you do that G, A minor with G in the bass, and then whichever way you want to play it, that way or that way. Okay, and then you do the F major 7 again. Alabama, back to C for pines. Pines. Okay, so it's can't see for me, I've done it many times. Here we go. Somebody take me home through those Alabama pines. And at that point you only do that line once. Later on you do it twice, but you do it once at that point. Then you're into another verse again, right? So I'll do that from somebody. It's about times. Somebody take me home through those Alabama pines. Right, next verse. Same as usual. You can drive through town today, go on a weekend in October, head up north to Jacksonville, cut around and over, watch the chorus. Somebody take me home. And again. Somebody take me home. Right, now we come in, this is the ooh-ah bit. Okay, and it goes into some more verses and some more choruses, exactly the same as what we've already played. So last bit, that ooh progression bit, again it's the C going down to the A minor as usual, and then with that G in the bass that way, or with the third finger. You've done all this before, so C being the second on the 5th fret, A minor, then G in the bass on the A minor, whichever way you want to do it, and then the F major 7th. And what I like to do on this F major 7th is to try and get something what's on the record, because there's another guitar jangling away in the background. And what I do is, it's the F major 7th, but you lift up that second finger. So when you go into it, you lift, you fret the chord, the F major 7th, but leave the second finger off. When you first strum it, you hammer into that 2nd fret of the 3rd string. You do that 4 times, yeah? So, ooh, and you can emphasise the bass note as you're going down, so it's root note. Ooh, ooh, off into another verse, okay, and that's it. There's nothing else in the song but that, all the bits that I've just shown you, okay. Hope you enjoyed that, hope that helps you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks very much for watching and listening. Bye for now.